Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen, to our channel where we explore the dark underbelly of the world. In today's video, we'll be delving into the terrifying world of drug cartels, specifically focusing on the top 5 most powerful cartels and their brutal crimes. Brace yourselves, as we uncover the shocking truth behind these criminal organizations. Let's jump right in. Sinaloa Cartel. Our first contender is the infamous Sinaloa Cartel, based in Mexico. Led by Joaquin, El Chapo, Guzman, this cartel has been responsible for countless acts of violence and drug trafficking. From the streets of Mexico to the borders of the United States, their reach knows no bounds. The Sinaloa Cartel is notorious for its brutal tactics, including beheadings, mass killings, and intimidation of rival cartels. They have even managed to tunnel their way out of maximum security prisons not once, but twice, further solidifying their reputation for audacity and power. Number 2, Los Zetas. Moving on to our next cartel, Los Zetas. Originally formed by deserters from the Mexican army, this criminal organization quickly rose to prominence as one of the most feared and brutal cartels in Mexico. Los Zetas are known for their use of extreme violence, including beheadings, dismemberments, and public displays of their victims. They have expanded their operations beyond drug trafficking and are involved in various illegal activities, such as human trafficking, extortion, and kidnapping. Number 3. Jalisco New Generation Cartel CJNG. Now, let's focus on the Jalisco New Generation Cartel, or CJNG, which has rapidly become one of Mexico's most dominant criminal organizations. Under the leadership of Nemesio Oseguera Cervantes, also known as El Mencho, this cartel has ruthlessly taken control of territories across the country. The CJNG is infamous for its extreme acts of violence, such as the use of torture and acid baths to dispose of their enemies. They have even resorted to attacking Mexican security forces, displaying their brazenness and disregard for law and order. Number 4. Medellin Cartel. Shifting our focus to South America, we come across the notorious Medellin Cartel, which operated in Colombia during the 1970s and 1980s. Led by the infamous Pablo Escobar, this cartel gained worldwide attention for its immense power and ruthless operations. The Medellin Cartel was responsible for a wave of violence that swept across Colombia. Escobar's ambition and brutality knew no bounds. He orchestrated bombings, assassinations, and even ordered the downing of a commercial airliner in an attempt to kill a political rival. Number 5. Cali Cartel. Last but not least, we have the Cali Cartel, another Colombian drug trafficking organization that rose to prominence after the fall of the Medellin Cartel. The Cali Cartel operated with a different approach, focusing on bribery and corruption to protect their operations. The Cali Cartel infiltrated Colombian law enforcement and government agencies to shield their criminal activities from interference. However, their brutality was still evident, as they carried out kidnappings, bombings, and killings to maintain their control over the drug trade. And there you have it, the top 5 most powerful drug cartels and their brutal crimes. These criminal organizations have left a trail of destruction and despair in their wake, wreaking havoc across continents. Let us not forget the countless lives lost and families torn apart due to their actions. Stay tuned for more captivating content, as we continue to explore the dark side of the world. Don't forget to like,